Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to start exercise 7.1 of polynomial. So, first we are going to start the polynomial. We have to know that what is polynomial. So, a polynomial is a mathematical expression consisting of indeterminates or variables and coefficient that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and positive integer powers of variables. Or in another definition of polynomial is a polynomial is an algebraical expression with two or more terms. यानी पॉलिनोमियल हम लोग किसको कहते हैं? एक एल्जेब्रिकल एक्सप्रेशन या एक मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें दो या दो से अधिक टर्म हो. जैसे टर्म्स हम लोग किसको कहते हैं? जैसे ये जो है इसमें 2x² ये क्या है? ये एक टर्म है. यहाँ भी देखो यहाँ एक क्या है? ये 2x² ये एक टर्म है. दिस इज अ टर्म, दिस इज अनदर टर्म. सो द टर्म्स आर डिवाइडेड और द सेपरेटेड बाय प्लस और माइनस साइन. सो पहले मैंने क्या कहा कि ये पॉलिनोमियल क्या है? एक मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन है जो कंसिस्ट किससे रहता है? ऑफ द वेरिएबल्स. अब वेरिएबल्स किसको कहते हैं या इनडिटरमिनेंट किसको कहते हैं? तो ये इनडिटरमिनेंट हो गया, यानी ये जो जैसे अल्फ़ाबेटिकल हम जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स देखते हैं, द न्यूमेरिक अल्फ़ाबेट्स लाइक x, y, z, these are all the variables or the indeterminates. So here we can see I have given an example also, the example of a polynomial with single determinant. So here we can see that there is only one alphabet, that is here is x, here is also x, there is no any other alphabet. So this is single determinant, this is called single determinant or single variable. But if more than, if any other alphabet will be included with this, this is called, if suppose you have included with x with y, so it will be double, it will be called double indeterminate. Okay. Or if you add with three alphabets like x, y, z, so it will be called as three indeterminates or three variables. Like I have given an example of three determinants also indeterminate. This is example of polynomial of three indeterminate. This is x cube plus 2xy and z square. So there are three variables are present here. This is x is one variable or indeterminate, y is another and z is another. So there are three indeterminates or three variables in it. So this is called indeterminates or these are called the variables. So in so many questions you have to ask how many powers or variables are there in the terms. So in this term you can say that this is a term, this is one term, this is two term, this is three term, this is four term. So in all the four terms there are how many variables? There are three variables. And what is the highest power? This is called power. This is called power. So the highest power is 3. So the power will be, this is called power, this is called term. Okay. And also this are, if separated, all these all are separated terms, or these are called factors also, these are called factor. So if we get it together it will be called as a term. Okay. So these are all different factors. Or if you taken this 2 is also called as the numbers with the variables, any numbers which are included with the variables, this is called coefficient also. This is called coefficient. This is called coefficient or variable also. Means if any number will be included with the alphabets with the variables, this is called as coefficient and this is called power. Okay. Now the types of polynomials. So there are basically three types of polynomial. This is called, the first type is called monomial, means where there is only single term. Okay. This is 2x square. Okay. There is no plus or minus other any other terms, there is only one single term. So there is any only one single term is called, this is called monomial. So 2x square is called monomial. In the same way, binomial, where there is two terms, there is one term and the terms are separated by positive and negative sign. So here we can see this is 2x square, this is one term, first term, and this is separated by minus, this is the second term is 5x. So this is called binomial. Where there are two terms, this is called binomial. Where there is three terms, this is called trinomial. So this is a trinomial. There are three terms, you can see that this is one term, this is second term, and this is third term. So it is also separated by the minus and plus sign. So terms are separated by the plus or minus sign. These terms can be also be of four terms or 5 terms, it can be more, but basically we taken as there are basically of three types. These are monomial, binomial and trinomial. So first you have to know what is polynomial. So I hope you comes to know that what is polynomial. So a polynomial is a mathematical expression consisting of indeterminates. Indeterminates means I told you, that means the variables like x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever be the alphabets, these are called the indeterminates or the variables. And the coefficient. So I told you what is the coefficient. Here 2x, y, z square, in 2 is the coefficients, means if anything which is merged with the alphabets, this is called coefficient, means the coefficient is 2 is the coefficient. So the consisting of indeterminates of variables and coefficient that involves only the operations of addition, means we have included the sign of addition, subtraction, okay, multiplication. Multiplication may also include, this means what, 2x y z square means 2 into x into y into z whole square, okay, means this means that means all the operations of this is included with addition, subtraction. You can see that here is addition sign is given, here is minus sign is given, and multiplication means these are the multiplications, here sign is not given. Y z means y into z, 2x y z square means 2 into x into y into z, means multiplication also included in it. And the positive integer powers, positive integer powers means the power should be positive, not in negative. If any power will be in negative, it will be not treated as polynomial. Only the positive integer sign will be taken in the variables, okay. So if the positive sign will be given there, this means it is a polynomial. But if any power will be in minus sign or negative, this will not be the polynomial. You cannot say that it is a polynomial, okay. So this is all about polynomial, okay. So if you have any confusion or any kind of queries you have, then kindly ask from me, and next video for the chapter 1 I am going to upload in the next video, okay. Thank you.